Hi friends, this is your Srinivas. Welcome to our channel and also welcome to 9th class of your Polyset session. Friends, you are waiting for physics and chemistry classes. Yes, we are doing that classes also within 1 week, within 3 or 4 days it will comes to you. You don't worry about that. Now for our convenience we are going to make a videos, okay now. From that you have to understand and what we are sending, what we are posting, you have to practice well. Now let us come to the 9th session of our beautiful topic. That concept is, the sequence is, the 4th chapter is pair of linear equation in two variable. The topic is we are going to discuss today pair of linear equation two variable. Friends, already first chapter, second chapter, third chapter is completed. Have worked very perfectly. Same the way we are going to discuss this chapter also. I have to explain literal information about pair of linear equation, but already the detailed information if you want means, because last year somebody said did not go to the school, somebody said did not get the some concept ideas about mathematics. So you can go on in playlist. This is chapters are pair of linear equation will be there. I explain very detailedly. From that you can get the such idea. But what is there? What is the main theme of linear equation? Then these 2 minutes after we are going to discuss the model question as well as previous exam paper question with the shortcuts. Friends, what is pair of linear equation? Before going that, what is an equation? What is a linear equation? What is pair of linear equation? We have to come to know that. What is an equation? Yes, an equality which is consists to at least two variable, then it is called equation. What is linear equation? Yes, an algebraic expression which consists of one variable, its degree is 1. Such equation is called as linear equation. Clear. Let us come to the pair of linear equation. Yes, if ax plus by plus c equals to 0 is the example of linear equation in two variable, the condition should be ax plus by plus c equals to 0. This is called general form of linear equation in two variable, also called as straight line equation in coordinate geometry. Okay na? Here a, b, c are called belongs to real number, dear friends, and x comma y are called variable, right my dear friend, and that must have the degree is 1. It must have the degree is 1. Friends, here a1 not equals, here a not equals to 0 and b is also not equals 0. Sometimes we can say that a1 square plus b square is also not equals to 0. This is the condition for linear equation in two variables. Pair of linear, pair means two. Pair means two. Two pair, two shoes, two socks, two belts, two pens. This is pair of shoes, like that. So if an equation which is forming pairs in this form like this. Here a1x plus b1y plus c is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c, c1 c2 equals to 0. Here you see this is a general form of linear equation, two variable. This is also general form of linear equation but different distinct coefficients. Now let us come to the point. Pair of linear equations is condition for solve of pair of linear equation. We have to generally followed by 3 conditions. What are the 3 conditions? Generally, I want to tell you, already I explained what is equation, what is linear equation, what is pair of linear equation, what is the general form of linear equation I has completed. Or what is the condition, how many conditions are there? Actually, general pair of linear equations, we have to solve 3 forms, 3 methods. One is geometrical, model and algebraical. In that algebraical, we have to follow 3 methods. Cross multiplication, substitution method and elimination method. Friends, but what is the conditions? Yes, here also 3 conditions are there. According to their coefficients, we have to form 3 conditions. That conditions are we have to observe. This condition will come to the entrance exam. By the problems, we have to understand this condition. If you know this condition, then you can solve the answer. I told you, content is power. If you have a content, then you solve the answers. Let us see, dear friends. Here a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2. When coefficients of first two equation, first coefficients and second coefficients of two equation, both are not equals, then geometrically we can say that, geometrically representation we can say that these two are intersecting lines. Yes, these two are intersecting lines. Graphically, we have to solve the graph. It is should be intersecting. When the intersecting lines must have one solution on x-axis and y-axis. It has one solution. Yes, it has one unique solution, means one solution, dear friend. For suppose coefficients of first equation a1 by a2 and second equation b1 b2 both are equal and constants are not equal, then the lines are said to be parallel lines. Parallel lines does not have any intersecting point, so parallel lines never meet, so it has no solution. Parallel lines, no solution, right? Now if coefficients of two equations as well as constant all are equal mode, means a1 by a2 b1 by b2 c1 by c2, such lines are called, this is our line. One more line also is coincident, this is called coincident or as well as dependent. Coincident and dependent lines. It has many solutions or infinite solutions. Dear friends, three conditions are completed. If a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2, then the lines are called like geometrically intersecting line. It has one solution. Fix in your mind. If two lines are a1 by a2, b1 by b2 not equals to c1 by c2, first two are equal, third one not equal, then it is called geometrically parallel line. It has no solution. Next, if a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2, then the lines are called coincident or as dependent line. It has many solutions, dear friend. Which I should frame a one question for your encouragement purpose. Come on, children, come on. If two lines are said to be intersecting lines, then it has dash solution. A one option 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. What is the answer? Yes, you are right. Unique solution, one answer. One solution. Right now come to the some more model questions to solve based on pair of linear equation. Then after followed by 2016 to 2020 we have to solve the question with the shortcuts. Let us see. Friends, now come to the model questions. Here, which of the following equations is not a linear equation? Friends, I repeat once again. What is linear equation? It has degree must be 1. Clear. What is the general form of linear equation? Two variable, ax plus by plus c equals 0. A, b, c are real number, x comma y variable, a1 square b plus b, a square plus b square not equal 0, or a not equals to b not equal 0. This is called pair of linear equation, two variable. Clear. But here, which is the which in these four, which is not a linear equation? I told you linear equation must be have degree 1. In this 4 option, one fellow is having degree other than 1. Who is that fellow? Find out. Here degree is 1. Here 1. Here 1. Here 1. 1. 1. Variable degree. Here 2 will be there. This is the answer. That's it. This is simple question, but meaning is there. Linear equation means we have to find degree should be 1. It is a quadratic equation. Clear? Next, one more question. The equation x minus 4y equals to 5 has dash solution. Many solution, no solution, unique solution, two solutions. Friend, this is RHS part, this is a two variable. This is a linear equation, general form of linear equation. It has many solutions somehow. It is two equations are given. By using the condition, we have to say that unique solution and no solution, many solution. But here one equation is given, general form of linear equation given. In that, in the place of x, y, you can substitute any values. It will be satisfied to 5. So it has many solutions. It is a very important question in 10th class board exam time. Okay na? Now, for what values of p, the following pair of equations, now we are going to touch the conditions. For what value of p following the pair of equation has unique solution. This is the very important keyword. Unique solution. If a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2, then it is called intersecting line. It has unique solution. Means only one solution. Then you should find p value. Friends, unique solution condition entama a1 by a2, b1 by b2 not equals to. Here a1 2. Here 3 not equals to. b1 3, b2 y coefficient 3, 3 get cancelled, p not equals to 2. P not equals to is the correct answer. Next, find the value of k for which the pair of equation 2x plus yes 2x minus ky plus 3 equals 0 and 4x plus 6y minus 5 equals 0 represent parallel. What is the keyword? What is the keyword? Parallel line. What is that in your mind? Parallel lines means if a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 and not equals to c1 by c2. What is a1? Right. a1, b1, c1. a2, b2, c2. Right. a1 by a2. 2 by 4. I am taking shortcut. Minus b1 by b2. b1 by b2. Not equals to, it is enough for us because we should find k value. Now do the cross multiplication. This side 2 into 6 by 4, that is equals to minus k. 2 1 ja 2, 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 3 ja 6. So minus k equals to 3, then k equals to minus 3. Finish answer. Coincident or dependent. Coincident and dependent is nothing but third condition. a1 by a2, that is equals to b1 by b2, that is equals to c1 by c2. Further conditions. Friends, here a1, b1, c1. a2, b2, c2. So a1 3, a2 9. Clear? Is equals to b1 4 sir, b2 12, c1 2, c2 k. I want k, so I should take these two numbers. You can your choice. You can take any number. I am taking here. So see this side, k into 4 4k, that is equals 2 into 12. Right. K transport 4 transport right side becomes to denominator. 4 1 ja 4 3 ja 3 2 ja 6. So k equals to 6. Where is the answer? This is your answer. Friends, how it is easy? I am explaining direct shortcut only. Here keyword unique solution, here keyword parallel, here keyword is coincident. Unique solution condition is first, parallel and second condition, coincident third condition. Okay now friends, now come to the more 5 model questions. In that, which of the following pair of equations represent inconsistent system? So in our introduction part, we are not discussing about inconsistent, the word is different. Yes, I told you again, content is power amma, remember. So if a1 by a2, b1 by b2 not equals to b1 by b2 is nothing but everybody saying only what the word is what amma? Intersecting line. But it has another form will be there. That is called inconsistent. Then that is called consistent lines also. This condition not only intersecting line, it is also have inconsistent, both are same. Intersecting or consistent, both are same synonyms at the same time. As per question we have to know that, we have to decide the answer. Here a1 by a2, b1 by b2 is nothing but parallel, as well as it has called as inconsistent. It is also called as inconsistent. We can say in previously parallel, also depends on question, we can say that inconsistent also if the condition will be equal. Now for suppose a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2, 3 are equal, we can say that coincident line. Coincident is nothing but, we can say that dependent also. Dependent lines, coincident lines, both are same. These 3 conditions are, as per question we can decide the answer. Let us see the question. Here the word will be inconsistent. Where is inconsistent? This is the word. If we know the idea about these 3 conditions, we will only guess the answer. నీకు ఈజీగా ఆన్సర్ చేయగలవు. am I right or not? నేను చెప్పేది నిజమా కాదా ఆలోచించండి. So concept is power, right? Now when it is possible to find the inconsistent, a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2. Where is a1? There a1 b1 a2 b2, a1 b1 a2 b2, a1 b1 a2 b2, a1 b1 a2 b2. Chalo, check it. 2 by 5. First one 2 by 5. 3 by minus 4. It's not an option. Okay. Next 6 by 1. Coefficient anything not that means should take is 1 is equals to 3 by minus 8. Here both are not equals to. So this is also not option. Now third one 2 by 4. First equation y coefficient 5. b1 by b2 10. Don't say cancel, reduce the terms. 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 5 1 ja 5 2 ja 1 by 2 equals to 1 by 2. Got it? So answer is this one. This condition satisfied. This is the option. That is our answer. Right? Have you understand? Now let us see this question. After this, wait a minute. You see this. 2x, if 2x plus 3y equals to 5 and 3x plus 2y equals 10 has dash type of solution. Lines. Means what condition? We have to check it. A1, B1, C1. A2, B2, C2. A1 by A2, 2 by 3. B1 by B2, 3 by 2. First two only not equals. A1 by A2 not equals B1 by B2. Yes, first condition. Means intersecting lines as well as consistent lines. That option is right. Intersecting as well as consistent. When it is possible, first two not equals. This is the answer. This is the way we have to practice someone. Okay, na? Next. Seventh question. If x equals to 1, then the value of y satisfies the equation. Here, x value given, direct substitute here, shortcut. 5 by 1, 5 by 1, 5. 5 transfer to right side, minus 5. 6 minus 5, 1. So, 3 by y equals to 1, y equals to 3. Answer finished. Shortcut is completed. Now traditional, you see. 5 by 1 plus 3 by y is equals to 6. 5 by 1, 5. 5 plus 3y by y equals to 6. 3 by y equals to 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5, 1. So 3 by y equals to 1. Y do the reciprocal. Y by 3, 1 by 1, nothing 1. 3 transfer to right side. So y equals to 3. Shortcut I told you. Clear? Next. Which of the following is not a solution? You see the word. The word will be not a solution. Means out of 4 compulsory 3 will be solution. 1 is not a fellow. Who is that fellow? We should find. Let us see. 1 1. Here 1 1. 2 1 is 2. 3 1 is 3. 2 plus 3 5. It is a solution. Okay. It is not a solution. We should find not a solution. Here minus 2 plus 3. 2 into minus 2. 3 into 3. Minus 4. 3 3 is 9. 9 minus 4 5. It is coming. It is also solution. Next, 4 minus 1. Yes, 2 into x. A value 4, B value minus 1. 2 4 is 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3, 5. It is also solution. So our answer is, remaining answer is, this is our answer. 1 comma 7 is not a solution of this question. Okay, the answer is D. Now let us, one more good question. If 2 by x plus 3 by y equals 30, 5 by x minus 4 by equals minus 2, then the solution. Here this is x, this is y, this is x, this is y, this is x, this is y, which is perfect answer. Friends, sum of 2 you should add, means we should get 13 here. Means x and y must be positive. But here is negative there. It's not an option. Here negative there. Not an option. I am telling shortcut. These two are the answers. Now for suppose I am taking x value here. Y value here. These two terms are as a denominator will be comes to reciprocal, means into 2 3 is 6. 2 3 is 6. I told you 1 by 3 converted into reciprocal. 3 by 1 3 by 1 into 2 6. 1 by 2 reciprocal is 2 by 1. 3 into 2 6. 6 plus 6 12. But 12 is kada. So it is not an option. Perfect answer. But our answer is correct or not? We have to check it, verify it. Yes, I will do it. 2 by x. X is 1 by 2. Plus 3 by y. Y value 1 by 3. Reciprocal. 2 2 is 4. 3 3 is 9. 9 plus 4 13. 13. So satisfied. So our answer is D. 1 by 2 comma 1 by 3. This kind you see, I told you friends, in that Polyset exam, pair of linear equation, every year they are giving 4 questions. 4 questions. About these 3 conditions they are giving 2 questions. Like this, to find x, y and y value, 2 questions. Total 4 questions. Remember.